Things that smartphones replaced and made them almost obsolete. Television set. Yellow pages. Camera. Map. GPS device. Calculator. Alarm clock. Radio. Camcorder. Payphone. Answering machine. Newspaper. Calendar. VCR. Flashlight. Watch. Timer. Compass. Mail. Cookbooks. Airline tickets. Photo albums. Magazines. Money. Voice recorder. Scanners. Walkie-talkie. TV remote. Translator. Playing cards. Diaries. Travel guidebooks. Foreign phrasebooks. Portable speakers. Takeout orders by phone. CDs. DVDs. Encyclopedias. Photocopiers. Compact mirrors. Checks. Rulers. Levels. Address book. Rolodex. Dictionary. If there are things missing from this list, let us know in the comments below.